Hello everybody, this is Out of the Box Unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review for you Cordless Jigsaw from Parkside, available in Lidl. So what you get for something like 40 euros, depending on the market. First of all, this cordless jigsaw is equipped in standard for Parkside 12V batteries. As you may see, capacity is 2000 mAh, so it's good that you can exchange this with other cordless devices from Parkside. If you want to, of course, if you have them, you can do it, because also the charger is standard. I mean, the shape is quite different from previous models that I have reviewed, but I mean, the parameters are the same. So if you have at least one of such cordless devices, you can share those parts between. Other basic features: you get two-stage adjustment pendulum. It's here. It helps to cut through wood, for instance, or helps to cut hard wood. It's just going when it's in zero position, it should go only from the top to the bottom, and if it's two, it's rotating like this, and it's helping to cut easily. The cut is not so smooth, but it helps to cut through harder wood. You've got, or this is equipped also with this vacuum cleaner fitting. I cannot take it off currently. Why? Don't know. It's stuck. Usually also underneath you have two screws just to adjust the angle of this, how to call it, the angle of cutting. It's between 0 and 45 degrees, and you can adjust like 0, which is this position, 15, 22 and half, 30 and 45 degrees. Other features, nice feature is this LED not sensor, but it's showing what is the capacity of batteries. I will plug it in. Sorry, I will turn it on, and it's nice, but actually I don't see that there's a separate. It's not separated, so I'm worried if it will not show all the time those three colors. In, for instance, cordless drills, this is better designed. What is also a nice feature, it's speed adjustment. Now it's on 1. I will turn it on and go with speed further. And if we are talking about speed, it's between 1000 or 1500 SPM up to 2800 SPM per minute. Stroke height, it's 80 millimeters. Maximum cutting depth, it's 70 millimeters in wood, 3 millimeters in aluminium. So it's not designed to cut through steel. And actually, if we are here talking about cutting capabilities, how to say, I don't believe in this device, because jigsaw, for instance, privately I have also from Parkside 800 watts, and it's cutting like hell. And this, I don't feel it will be strong enough, especially with such small battery, which is actually, if you cut it through, you will see 3 AA batteries, something like that. So jigsaw run by 3 AA batteries don't sound as much, but of course it's 12 volts. It has other parameters than the standard batteries, but still I don't believe actually that it will run in the long run. Also, what is included, which is nice feature, you have 2 blades, Swiss made. I don't believe it's Swiss made, maybe it was designed in Switzerland, but for sure not. It was not made in Switzerland. So you've got those 2 blades. One is for wood, second is for metal, but as I mentioned, metal, at least Parkside claims it should be aluminium, so small, not small, soft metal. Okay, I will try to put this blade inside. Coupling is very nice. You just need to turn it like this and put blade inside. By the way, this design, as far as I remember, it's a Bosch design. There is a second standard on the market which is cut like this, and it's Black & Decker. If I'm mistaken, please put comments in the section below the film, below the movie. And now it's blade installed. Also nice feature is this LED lamp. It's enough to help you see where are you cutting, but it's not a necessity to have it. Of course, for angle adjustment you have this key with you, so you are independent. You don't need to look for your other private keys to screw and unscrew. I'm really curious why I cannot take this off, but maybe it's really, I don't know why I cannot take it off. But as you might see, the connection for the vacuum cleaner is very near, so the efficiency of this solution I do expect to be decent, or even more than decent, if you connect it with a very strong vacuum cleaner. So I expect that it will be at least less mess compared to the jigsaw without without vacuum cleaner connection. Okay, this tool looks very nice. It could be a nice present for, I don't know, for Christmas, but don't expect that you will do some woodworks with it. It will help you to cut something, but not in long run. Or if you have a spare battery, maybe. But in my opinion, waste of money for such application. In terms of, this is what I have missed. The weight. It's surprisingly light. It's surprisingly light. Of course, most of the time you will run it on flat surfaces like this one, so you actually don't need to have a support, sorry, your hand will, don't need to extra support. And actually the additional weight could help you to go through, but this is also some feature. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you like, buy it, but don't expect much out of it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe or give a like or comment, especially this case with Bosch design blades if I'm mistaken, and see you next time. Bye.